In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file into Google Sheets. This process is straightforward and will allow you to manage your spreadsheets more effectively using Google's platform. Let's go through the steps together to ensure you can seamlessly transition your work between these two formats. First, you'll need to open your Google Drive. You can do this by logging into your Google account and navigating to Google Drive. It's important to have access to the internet as you'll be working in the cloud. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll see a new button. Click on it. This is your starting point to create or upload any new documents you need in Drive. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Google Sheets. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the next part of the process. Google Sheets will open up in a new tab, and you'll find yourself looking at a blank spreadsheet. This can seem a bit intimidating, but don't worry, we're just a few steps away from having your Excel data ready to go in Google Sheets. Once you're in the Google Sheets tab, turn your attention to the top left of your screen where it says File. Click on File to access a menu with various options. From there, you want to select Import. This option is your gateway to bringing in outside data into your Google Sheet. After selecting Import, you'll see an option that says Upload. This is where you choose the Excel file you wish you convert. The process of uploading a file is simple and involves selecting Upload and then clicking Browse. This will open a window displaying your local computer files. It's important to know where your Excel file is saved on your computer because this is the moment you'll need to navigate to it. Select the file you wish to upload, double check to make sure it's the right one because this is the file that will soon be converted to Google Sheets format. Once your file is selected, Google will give you several options on how to import the file. Your goal here is to select Replace Spreadsheet. This means that the blank spreadsheet that you opened earlier will be replaced with the data from your Excel file. The final step is to click Import Data. Once you do this, Google Sheets will automatically convert your Excel file into its own format. And ta-da! Your conversion is complete. You now have a fully functioning Google Sheet with all of your Excel data. This method is not only efficient, but ensures that all your formulas, formatting, and data integrity are maintained in the transition. Enjoy exploring all the collaborative and real-time editing features that Google Sheets offers. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to convert more